Write a short note on judgment. The term judgment has been defined under Section 2(9) of the CPC 1908. According to Section 2(9) of the CPC, a judgment means the statement given by the judge of the grounds of a decree or order. A judgment is the reasoned decision of the court explaining why a particular decree or order has been passed. It contains the findings of the court on the issues involved in the case and the reasons supporting those findings. Thus, a judgment forms the foundation upon which a decree or order is based. The most essential element of a judgment is that it must contain a statement of the grounds for the decision. A mere conclusion without reasons cannot be regarded as a proper judgment. The judgment must indicate that the judge has carefully considered the facts, evidence, and law applicable to the case before arriving at a conclusion. According to Order 20, Rule 4 of the CPC 1908, every judgment other than that of a court of small causes shall contain a concise statement of the case, the points for determination, the decision thereon, and the reasons for such decision. In the case of a court of small causes, the judgment may contain only the points for determination and the decision thereon. The purpose of these requirements is to ensure that the judgment is clearly intelligible and self contained. A judgment should enable the parties as well as the appellate or revisional court to understand the basis of the decision without having to examine the entire record of the case. The court have repeatedly emphasized that sketchy or cryptic orders which do not disclose the reasoning of the judge cannot be regarded as proper judgments. Even judgments of small causes, courts must demonstrate that the judge has applied his judicial mind to the issues before him. However, a judgment need not necessarily decide all issues in a case. A decision on a substantial issue, such as the constitutional validity of a statute, may itself constitute a judgment. A judgment is pronounced before the decree is drawn up. After the judgment is delivered, a decree follows in accordance with the findings and relief granted therein. Conclusion. Thus, a judgment under Section 2(9) of the CPC 1908 is the statement of reasons and grounds given by the judge for passing a decree or order. It must contain the essential particulars prescribed under Order 20, Rule 4 of the CPC 1908 and should clearly disclose the reasoning process adopted by the court in arriving at its decision.